What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Maintenance Man channel. My name is Neil. Thank you for joining me today. We are going to talk about redoing my kitchen. It's going to be a new series on my YouTube channel. I'll get into the process step by step a little bit here, and it's a DIY remodel, not professional. Still getting my feet wet in the whole remodeling thing, so I'm just going to go through the steps of what I'm doing and what I'm going to do and get started. Alright, so starting off, we did get this house 10 years ago, actually 11 years ago this October. Bought the appliances, and it did come with a above the stove microwave, which has been in our attic for 10 years, and I just got out the other day, still mint condition. We kept it wrapped and everything. That cabinet was just too wide above there to fit it in. I didn't want it hanging right above, so basically, we're keeping the bulkhead up there, and I measured the cabinets out. We're going to add a filler piece in on that end, and basically everything's going to be pretty much the same. The big difference is going to be over here. About 2 years ago, I took this part of the wall out, and I added these lights in. I'm going to subtract that light, put a box up in the attic. I'm going to keep these ones. And we're going to have cabinets all the way in this corner, and we're going to take this down to the cabinet height, and we're going to have a countertop going, straight across. This wood thing I just put in there temporarily just to make it look kind of finished. We're going to eliminate that vent, put cabinets up there. I'm taking the pocket door out, which is what we're going to start on. So I'm going to take the pocket door out, and I'm going to take some of the drywall out up to the vents. There's going to be a stud there. I'll put another stud in and a stud here. I'll re-drywall it, put new casing around the doorway. We will figure out the door later. I'm adding a box there, and eventually I'm going to finish that with drywall and add a box there on the countertop. We'll put a 2-gang box there and a single there. So we'll have... This will all be countertop and cabinet space. Not a huge kitchen. We will be doing a new exterior door. So my first steps, like I said, I'm going to do this wall. Once that wall's done, I'm going to rip up the old floor, take the cabinets out. I'm going to tile everything, and then just hit it from there. Once the new cabinets come in, I'll set those all in, and get the trim and everything figured out. We have electrical to run. I have to put a gas shutoff for the stove, redo plumbing underneath the sink, and there's some other things that I thought of I have to do. I might move this box over a little bit, which I think I should be able to do. And this here I would have loved to take out, but that is my main stack vent. So we're boxing everything up and getting ready to start on this. So like I said, there's other things that you have to think about. This is my laundry room here, and one of the things is that is a saddle valve for the fridge. So I'm actually going to take the saddle valve out, and I'm going to put a T in there and run a shutoff out of there. So I don't like saddle valves. I want to eliminate it. Then the other thing too is I do have a gas line here for my dryer, and I have one coming out here. So I'm going to pull the gas line back a little bit if I can, because I'd like to finish this exterior wall and frame it and insulate it and everything. And I'm going to tap off of this to run a gas line up under the kitchen sink and out my wall to my grill on my deck. And I'd also like to put a little catch, so I'm going to have to figure something out for that. Usually when you don't like running the gas straight into the pipe into the appliance. You want, I'll show you the fitting right here. You want to kind of do one of these, so if there's any dirt or anything that comes through, it should collect in there and the gas goes that way. Pretty standard stuff. So yeah, you know, those are the other small little things that we're gonna have to do. So there you go. So I got a lot of material to unload, but I'm excited to start on this project. It should be fun for me. I like doing these things. And we're going to get started. I also have a new tile saw coming to help me with this project. I do have my old Ryobi tile saw, but it only rips 18 inches. We're using 24-inch tile. So, you know, I bought one with a 24-inch rip, and should work out pretty well for me. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. If you aren't subscribed, get subscribed. Follow the series on this kitchen remodel, DIY style. You know, I'm not professional, but it may help you, give you ideas for homeowners and stuff doing their own kitchens and things to look for and things to do. And if you're a professional remodeler, down in the comments, you know, if I make a mistake, correct it, or tell me or the subscribers a better way to do something. I'm not a professional, but I do like doing this stuff. I've remodeled, you know, bathrooms and kitchens and stuff like that, and my whole basement. So we'll you know, comment down there and give us some good feedback. All right. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Later.